Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install mods in Marvel Rivals using Steam. Alright, so let's begin. To begin, open Steam and locate Marvel Rivals in your library. Click the settings icon, select manage, and then click browse local files. This will open the game's installation folder. You can minimize Steam for now and keep this window open. Before installing any mods, you'll need two files. The first is the OC signature bypass patch, which enables mod loading in Marvel Rivals. Open the download page, go to files, select manual download, and choose slow download if you don't have a premium subscription. Save the file to your computer. Next, download the mod you want to use by following the same steps. Once both files have finished downloading, return to the Marvel Rivals folder and open marvel game, then go to Marvel, then go to binaries, and finally Win64. Open the OC signature bypass patch archive and drag all of its files into the Win64 folder. This completes the patch installation. Next, go back 2 folders until you reach the Marvel directory. Here, open content section, then box. If you don't already have a folder named mods, create one and open it. Now, open the mod you downloaded and drag its files into the mods folder. Once that's done, launch the game. In this example, Iron Man has been replaced with Vegeta. The character's appearance changes, but the original voice remains the same since this mod only replaces the skin. Keep in mind that these mods are client-side only. You'll be able to see the custom skin, but other players will continue seeing the default character. Before downloading additional mods, pay attention to the warning included with the patch. Mods created before the April 2025 update no longer work unless they've been updated to the new IO Store UTC or UCAS format. The Vegeta mod shown here is an older mod, but it was updated to support the new format. Whenever you download a mod, open its file section and check the upload or update date. If it has been updated after the April 2025 patch, it should work correctly. Otherwise, make sure the mod author has released a compatible version before installing it. And that's it. So that's basically you can install mods in Marvel Rivals using Steam. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.